quick video to see how hard it is to use the navigation in this thing. I want to type in an address. So this is in Keller. Keller, Texas. Street name. Okay. So far so good. Alright. Well, that's pretty easy. Go.
Turn right after 800 feet.
Well, that was real easy. So the navigation system is pretty tight. It wasn't that hard to use. And then it throws up these
You will arrive at your destination on the right-hand side after 4 miles.
Those are the little cues up here to say where you should turn to. So that's not bad. I actually even think there was a navigation. I think there's actually a navigation window in here. I just can't remember how to do it. To have this navigation in on the up front, you can change it to navigation, and now it shows you the road, the turns, and everything. Yeah, so the navigation is pretty quick. I'm trying to help them get over here though before it rains, because I really don't like driving this car with the summer tires in the rain. I've never done it, and I don't want to start. But we're going to see if this guy can ceramic coat it for a reasonable price. Like I said, I'd be willing to do $2,500, but I'm not doing no $3,000 or $4,000 to ceramic coat this car that I'm only going to have for a couple of years at the most. So yeah. $1,500 to $2,500, we might be able to work out some business. So
yeah,
we'll see.
Of course. It is messy, so I do apologize.
That's all right.
It's all crazy.
All right, so we're finally finna get this bad boy ceramic coated. What is it? The gold?
Gold package. That's right, bro.
Gold package. That's the
Dad.
man right there.
Nick's dad.
That's not Sean. That's
Nope. Nick.
Nick.
Maddox.
Why was I talking to Sean?
Did you think? Is that what the caller's ID said?
Yeah, it says Sean Maddox.
Yeah. It's just I think it's because it's under my dad's plan. So
Oh, okay,
at
okay.
least my phone is like registered to his.
Okay.
Fleslet.